Hello children. Continuing the lesson here. Before we continue, let us revise and recall, okay? Here are some questions. So we have to give the answers for this. The first one is, I am a muscular organ that pumps blood. I am a muscular organ that pumps blood. What is it? It is heart. Okay, it is heart. The second one is, I carry blood from the heart to all parts of the body and then back to the heart. So, what does carry blood, children? From the heart to all parts of the body and then back to the heart? They are blood vessels, okay? Blood vessels. Vessels. Okay. Third one, children, I am the smallest blood vessel. I am the smallest blood vessel. Who is it? It is capillaries. That is Capillaries. Okay, this is capillaries. The fourth one, I am the blood vessel that carries blood from the heart to different parts of the body. Okay, which carries blood from the heart to the different parts of the body. It is arteries. This is Arteries. Okay, children. And the fifth one, I am the blood vessel that carries blood from different parts of the body back to the heart. Okay, these are veins. These are veins. Flow through the blood is, I flow through the blood vessels. So what is that, children? It is blood. Okay, so this is what about circulatory system. Now let us continue the today's topic. So what we are going to learn is, we are going to learn about the functions of teeth. We are going to learn food and digestive system. We are going to learn functioning of our human body and sense organs. Clear, children? Yes, now. So teeth and its function. No, we have our teeth like all 32 teeth. No. So how are they? We have two sets of teeth during our lifetime, and they are milk teeth, deciduous teeth and permanent teeth. So we'll be having three types of teeth, like milk teeth, like in the there are altogether 20 deciduous teeth and 32 permanent teeth. So overall, children will be having 32 permanent teeth, like this is in the upper jaw and this is in the lower jaw. So this will be the teeth structure. So actually we will not be able to see this yellow color part in our mouth. So there will be just inside. No, so we can just see this white color enamel part. No, when you say teeth, we can just see this, the white color enameled part. Okay, so these are all 32 permanent teeth. Clear, children? So what does this teeth look like? Sometimes some teeth, they look slightly yellowish in color. Are you able to see here in the picture? Yes. So this yellowish color. So we call this yellow color, slightly yellowish in color, as dentine. So dentine. Okay. And you can see sometimes some nerves which have been swollen. Okay. So these are nothing but the pulp. We call it as pulp, filled with blood vessels and nerve fibers. No, sometimes you will be having this blood vessels, okay, on our jaws. So this we call it as pulp. Clear, children? So what do our teeth do? What is its main function? What is its work? So food needs to be broken down and chewed before entering the digestive system, so that our body can easily absorb nutrients from them. No. So why do we need teeth, children? to break our food, and chew our food. So we eat with our mouth, and inside our mouth we'll be having our tongue, we'll be having our teeth. So what does this teeth do? They are going to break the food into small pieces, and we are going to chew it so that it is going to enter properly into the digestive system. Okay, so when we chew the food into small pieces, what happens? Our body can easily absorb nutrients from them. No, to have a healthy body, we need to give our body good amount of nutrients. No, so how do we give the nutrients? Through food. No, and this food, so we cannot just swallow it. If you swallow the food as it is not going to get digested in our stomach. No, that is again going to harm our digestive system. So you have to break it down, chew it into small pieces, then it is going to enter properly into the digestive system. Okay children, and this is very important function which is performed by the teeth. Clear? So what is the main function of the teeth? The food is going to break down and is going to be chewed before entering the digestive system. Clear children? Now, so because we are talking about the digestive system, how is this? See, as it is here in the picture, it is there. So the food what we eat, it is going to enter through our mouth, and it is broke down and it is chewed, and it is going to enter the digestive system through this food pipe. Okay, and here we have got this digestive system. Okay, intestines and all that. Okay children, see here, like all the living beings need food to survive and grow. Now why do we need food? To survive and to grow. Every living being, a human being, an animal, a plant, everybody, they need food to survive, to have life and to grow. And we take our food inside through our mouth and chew it with our teeth. So how do we take food? Through our mouth. And how do we chew it? With our teeth. Okay. And the process which allows our body to get the nutrients and energy from food is called digestion. So what is digestion children? So the process. So when we eat food children, so that food is going to enter into our body and is going to get the nutrients and also the energy from the food. Okay, this process is called as digestion. Clear? So you can see here in the picture. I'll just zoom it for you. See, this is the digestion systems children. See here, the blue color substance, you assume it as our food. Okay, so see how it is passing into our digestive system. See, yes, and at last it is going down to the intestines. Clear children? Okay, so here in the diagram also it is written like how it is going to reach. So first you chew your food here, then your food is going all the way down through this food pipe and it is going into your stomach. Okay, where you are going to break down all the protein, and again in the small intestine food is made into a liquid. Here in the small intestines food is going to made as a liquid. Okay, and it is going to absorb all the nutrients there. Clear children? Yes. Now, so functions of the human body. Functions of the human body. Like we have our body. No, how do our body works? How do our body work? So we need some energy And how do we get that energy? That we are going to learn here. So human body is a complex, well coordinated, wonderful and a beautiful looking machine. The organs of our body function all the time. Now the organs, they are going to function all the time. If they are not going to function all the time, the organs, then our body will not be able to survive. Okay, so what we need is first the nutrients. Okay, all living things need food for its growth, maintenance and development. All living things, they need food for its growth, and to maintain the body and to develop the body, you need food. Now if you are born as a baby, now when we take birth, we'll just be like a small baby. From that baby to the young age, to the middle age and to the old age. No, so there is so much of process. So to have this growth, to maintain our body, to have a development of body, what do we need? We need food. Okay, and food has got different components. So these components are called as nutrients. So the different components, because our body needs different type of nutrients which food has got. Okay, and this food is divided into different groups according to the function they perform in the body. Like the food, whatever food we take, so it is going to function in different ways in two different parts of our body. Okay, so that is why food is divided into different groups. Okay, what they are, we'll see here. First one is carbohydrates. So what are carbohydrates? They are going to provide energy to our body. They make our body active, keep our body active. Carbohydrates, okay, they provide energy, and we need energy to do any kind of work. Now if you are not feeling active, or if you are not having strength, you will not be able to do any kind of work. No, children. So that is why to stay active and to have energy, your body needs carbohydrates. And where do you get these carbohydrates? When you eat bread, chocolates, sweet potatoes and bananas. For example, all these food items, they have carbohydrates. When you eat these food, children, this type of food, your body get this energy. Okay. And the next one is proteins. So what are proteins? They are the body building proteins, body building nutrients, like to have a good body, to have a growth, if you want to increase your height, increase your weight. Okay, so to have a good body building, you need proteins. So we need proteins for our growth. They build muscle and repair the damaged parts of the body. What do? They build muscles, and they are going to repair the damaged parts of the body. And where do you get these proteins, children? You get in milk, eggs, fish, meat, cheese, curd, pulses, beans, etc. They are all rich in protein. So you have to take all this type of food, children. So every type of food is very much important to our body. See, for carbohydrates, what do? They provide us energy. Proteins are going to build our body. No, so they are going to give a good growth to our body. No, so because of that, you have to eat eggs, fish, meat, cheese, curd and all this pulses, and you must also take milk. And the other one is fat. So what is fat? Fat gives us energy and warmth. Okay, they give us more energy and heat than carbohydrates. Fat gives us what? They give us energy and warmth. So, because of this, our body will be able to produce heat if you take fat content. For example, cheese, butter, oil, nuts, they are all rich in fat. Okay, children? And the other one is vitamins and minerals. So, vitamins and minerals are the protective nutrients. So, they are going to protect us from the diseases. Okay, so vitamins and and minerals are the protective nutrients. So for example, fresh fruits, vegetables, eggs, milk are rich source of vitamins and minerals. So that is why doctors always advise us to eat fresh fruits, to take vegetables, and to have a egg every day, and to drink a milk every day, so that our body is going to be protected from the diseases. Okay, clear children? So still what you are having? You are having roughage. So these are all different type of food groups, roughage. Okay. So apart from nutrients, what do we need? Our body also needs dietary fibers which help us to keep our bowel clean by adding bulk to it. So we need some dietary fibers. So whatever food we take, it must be digested well, and all the waste must come out from our body. Okay, children. So then only our body will function in a proper way. We'll have a healthy body. Okay. So it helps us to keep our bowel clean. So we have to pass out all our wastages from our body. Okay, and these dietary fibers are also known as roughage. Like for example, if you see here in the picture, you have bananas, you have papaya, you have green leaves, you have oats, apples, strawberries, all this roughages we call this as. Okay, like fiber food. So this is going to keep your bowel clean. Clear children? Now, water. And at the last, a very important uh, what like food item we can say, it is water which we take to our stomach. No, so water helps in absorption of nutrients from the food. Because of water, what happens? The nutrients are going to absorb from the food. So as we learned that food will be having nutrients. So how our body is going to take the nutrients from the food? Through this water. Okay, and it also plays a major role in throwing out waste like sweat, urine from the body. And not only that, children, it is also going to throw out waste. No, I said before also that our body has to throw out the waste. So it is going to take out the waste from our body in the form of sweat, in the form of urine. No, these two are like water content only. No, and most of the water requirement is fulfilled by the liquids we drink. So water, will take it in the water form, and we also take it in the any other liquid form. Suppose if you say milk, again milk also contains water. Fruit juices, no, that also contains water. So water can be taken in any form here. So fruits and vegetables also provide water. No, because as we said, even fruit juices, like even vegetables, so they also provide water. Clear children? So to stay healthy, you have to consume much quantity of water, either as pure water as it is, or in different forms like fruit juices, milk, or vegetables. Okay children, clear now? Yes. So here we are going to learn about our sense organs, because we are talking about human body. No, and one more important organs of our body are sense organs. So sense organs are the organs which help us to sense the outside world. So these are all the external organs. And what do they do? They are going to help us to sense the outside world, where we can see the outside world, where we can feel, touch the outside world. Okay, and they are external organs of our body. Like if you see internal organs, if you see, like we have learnt about like digestive system, where you have stomach, you have intestines, you have liver. No, even in circulatory system you have heart, or we have kidneys and all that. No, all those parts are internal organs, but these sense organs are external organs. Like eyes, what are they? So why are they again? Eyes are helping us to see the beautiful world around us. No, through our eyes we are able to see the beautiful world which is around us. Ear is going to help us to listen to all kinds of sound, whether it is music, chirping of birds, moving of waves, laughter of children, any kind of sound, children. Okay, so ear is going to help us to hear the sound. Now another one is nose. And why do we use nose, children? To breathe and also to smell. To breathe in and breathe out, we use nose, and also to smell the things. No. And tongue is to taste. To taste, like whatever food we are going to eat, it is going to help us to taste the food, whether it is sweet, it is bitter, it is sour. No. So whatever it is there, the tongue is going to help us to taste the food. And apart from that, it also help us to talk. Okay, the taste of the things that we eat is due to the tongue. That's what it is going to decide. Tell us the taste, and also it help us to talk. Another one, the last one is the skin. So skin help us to feel the things around us. Skin. The skin what you are having on the body, like as you can see here in the picture. So young skin. So without any folds. That is aged skin. So if a person is aged, then his skin starts getting folded. Okay, children. So this skin is going to help us to feel the things around us. Clear? So these are all the sense of organs. Okay, children. So this is what we have learnt in today's topic. We will be continuing in next topic.